the water. Now I am going to put a cooking oil in that. Okay. Now see, this is the cooking oil I am going to put. See, I am going to mix it to check is the oil mixed with water or not. See how nicely I am mixing now. Now I wait for a second. See how the oil come up. See yourself. Now you can find the difference. Water is at the bottom and oil is on the top. You know why? I will explain you. See. Okay, my dear kids, I am going to show you these are the molecules of water. See the size of the molecules of water. It's a very small and they are packed tightly with each other. See this. Now, for the example, I am going to show you these are the molecules of oil. They are bigger in size and take a lot of space, more space, and not packed tightly with each other. And they take more space per unit area and they are having less density is less. And because of density, the oil come up. Because of that only density, oil do not mix with the water.